So Vishwanath, now another Sakya is saying, well, they're saying, we cannot ascertain or know the whereabouts of Krishna by asking these various trees and plants and flowers, and even Mother Bhumi is frustrating us and not telling us. What recourse do we have? Who can we turn to? Who can we ask? Therefore, we should ask that person who has actually seen Krishna and can tell us the truth. That's the whole meaning of Tadvigyanartam Saguru Mevabhigachat Brahma Stotriam Brahma Nishtam Brahma Shotriam Brahma. So the definition of guru is one who has seen Krishna, one who has perceived Krishna. In 434 in the Gita it says Tadvidi Pariprashena. It says Tattvadarshan. The last time I said Tattvadarshan means he has seen the truth. But for us, the truth is not simply Advaitavad. For us, the truth is personality, is a swayam, is a person. So the Guru has to have had anubhav, had experience of Krishna, seen Krishna, and had experience. Then he can be Guru. So then one gopi says, so we should ask someone who's actually seen Krishna and can tell us the truth. The other gopi says, oh, Saki, do you know who that person is? Who is that person who has seen Krishna and can tell us where Krishna is? That's the whole idea of the Guru. Tamasimam Jyotirgama. Tamasimam Jyotirgama Gamana. We want to go to the light. The light is truth, and the truth is Krishna. Krishna Surya Sama Mayahaya Andhakara. Krishna Surya Sama Mayahaya Andhakara. We're in the darkness of Maya, and we're in ignorance of God. We have not seen Krishna. We want to see Krishna. We don't know Krishna. We want to know Krishna. So the Guru must know Krishna, and he must see Krishna. So then he can show us Krishna. Because the gopis are asking, we have to find that person who has actually seen Krishna can tell us the truth. So there's 2 points here, seeing Krishna. And there's many levels of seeing Krishna. In Spurti and Vispurti, and Swapna, and Sakshat Darshan. And then, but the most important qualification in Adhikar of Guru is truth. Seeing the truth means you have Shastra Chakshus and Guru Chakshus. The eye of Guru teaches you the Shastra, you hear Shrotriyam. Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam. Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam. Shrotriyam means Shrota. Shrota means you hear the Shruti, hear from Guru's Padma lips. Guru Mukha, Narottam Das Thakur Mahashaya says, Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chite Kor Iya Aikya. Maybe you can say better in Bengali, Sanskrit. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya. His Vakya, Guru Vani, Guru Vakya, is nectar. It's Padma. Padma means lotus flower. It's Padma Vakya. It's nectar. What is that nectar? Nectar means Amrit. Amrit means no death. Amrit means Nitya, life, eternal life, Golok Dham, Golok Prapti. So the nectar words from the Guru's mouth gives us immortality. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chiti Te Kor Iya Aikya. So my chitta must become one with the nectar of the words of Guru. The words of Guru means the order of Guru. The words of Guru means the teachings of Guru. The words of Guru means the direction of Guru and the blessings of Guru. So the gopis are looking for someone. They're looking for a Guru. Gopis want to find someone who's seen Krishna and can tell us the truth. So there's two. They have to either find a Guru or they have to find Radharani. Because Radharani is with Krishna. They don't know it. And she knows the truth because she loves him. And she's seen that truth because she never stopped seeing Krishna. And some of her parrots are listening. And they say, ha, that's right. He just said, ha, that's right. Ta-ta, that's right. But as soon as you stop speaking about Krishna, he flies away.